Shopify Dawn Theme Banner. Customize and add banner to Shopify Dawn Theme. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you and demonstrating how you could do some customization with your banner on your online store. So to get started, let's actually view first our banner, the default banner that we would usually get when we first create our Shopify account. Now I have created a new account. We have here a fresh new Shopify store. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store over here. Simply select the online store option. And under that, you have themes. So over here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to check that you have the Shopify Dawn theme currently installed. So make sure this is the one that you have and not other themes that you have over here, because the process would be completely different, or like the theme would look very different from what we have. So if you don't have the Shopify Dawn theme, you guys might be confused on how to proceed. Although the process is the same, the difference would be the appearance of the theme or the website itself. So over here we have our Dawn theme. So simply click on customize, and the first thing that you're going to see is this big banner page over here that says browse our latest product. Now this is what we will be customizing. This is our banner that we will be changing, our Shopify banner. So to be able to customize and change this, you can see over here on the left side you have template. Now the template is basically like the content of your online store. The header is this top part over here that says welcome to our store, and like your nav bar or navigation bar, you have your my store, home, catalog, and contract, and then you know your footer over here. So you're going to look for your template, and over here under the banner. So under our banner we have a button over here. I could remove that for now, and I could remove the text for now as well. So there we go. We now only have our image banner. So we could select our image banner now. And as you can see, we have first image and second image. And what I recommend is to only have one image, because the second image would basically have our banner over here. So let's actually show you what that would do. We could click on our explore free images. And you have your shop local over here. You could have some royalty free images or images that you could use for your store. There are no policies, or there are no rules that would punish you if you use the free images available over here, because like it said, it's a free image, so you could use that. So if you have two images, it will basically be halved, as you can see. So it might, or it won't work for a lot of images out there, but it might work for some images. So you could have that. So for us, let's actually remove this. I would like to not have any image over here. So because we will be creating a custom created image for us to use. And that's basically how you could add the image though. You can simply go to the image banner and click on select image, and you will be able to add it. You could also change the different settings over here, like the overlay opacity. So if you have it as super low, it will be super transparent, or rather it will be full image. But if you make it low or higher, it will make it a bit transparent. Then you could change your banner height. You could turn it to small banner height, or like medium banner height. There we go. Let's go with the small banner height for now. And then you could have some desktop content position. Now we don't have any content because I removed it. And you have your other parts over here. So you could have some zoom in on scroll, or you could have some fixed background position or ambient movement, which as you can see, it's not showing up yet because I think we would need some image for that. But as you can see, it's following our scroll, as you can see here. There we go. And you have other settings over here as well. So let's now go and create our custom banner. Simply go to Canva or any platform out there that you prefer. But for me, I prefer using Canva, especially when creating custom content. So right now, there are no specified, or there isn't any specified size except for 3:2 aspect ratio. So let's simply go to our Canva over here. Let's click on create a design. And let's actually start with a custom size. And let's go with a width of, since it says 3:2, I guess we could go with 16 by 12. Then click create a design. Now I'm not sure if that's 3:2 in aspect ratio, but anyway, let's start with this one as our size for now. And now if you don't know, Canva is an amazing platform that would allow you to create any type of project, whether it's a video or a PowerPoint or simply a simple photo. You have hundreds and thousands of different elements that you could use to build your design. So that is what we will be mainly using for today's video. You also have text over here that you could add if you want. You could add some sail over here just like that. So let's actually go and create our custom over here. You can change the background to black. There we go. And then we could go over here. So let's say maybe yellow designs. Since we already have a yellow text over here, let's go with a yellow design. There's a lot of design that we could check out over here. For example, this one. We could put this over here, then create a bigger version. Just like that. Then you could change the position to the back. Or it's already in the back, so I guess we could just position it. There we go. And we could duplicate it again, make it a bit smaller this time. And put it just like that. Now we have like a very simple design that we have. Just like that. There we go. And now you could add some other details, maybe some products that you have. Let's say we have shoes. So let's say that our store is mainly a shoe store. So we could have something like this. Just like that. Then actually, we could put it on the bottom. Then we could add some other designs. Just like that. Let's make sure that the size are similar. This one is 324 by 234. So let's click on position. You could change it over here for easier. 324 by 234. There we go. Now it's a similar size. So we could have something like that. So you get the idea. You will be able to use Canva to create a very customizable design. So let's download this for now. There we go. Then go back to our store over here. Click on select image. We could simply upload our image over here by doing a drag and drop. There we go, uploading. So let's simply wait for our image over here to finish uploading. Then we could simply select this. Select just like that. Click on done. And as you can see, we will now have our sail over here as our custom banner. Then we can change the way our animation would be. So we could have like a fixed background position. And you could have a bigger size over here so that you could see your banner. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to customize your banner in Shopify Dawn Theme. So if you guys have any question, feel free to comment down below. But if anything else, that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.